intercepts into Lyria 3, and it drops a Grammy-level masterpiece. We put the exact same prompt into our local model, and Mac's computer basically cries for help.
It's embarrassing, honestly.
It's not your fault, Mac. Google thinks you're stupid. They know human prompts are weak, so they hide a secret middleman AI in the background. It intercepts your garbage prompt, injects it with music theory, and expands it into a massive 200-word blueprint.
Wait, so we aren't even the ones making the music?
Nope. But today, we aren't just making music either. We are EPUs. I don't. So, I did what any good engineer does. I quietly tunneled into Mac's network.
Consensually? You have to tell them it was consensual so YouTube doesn't strike the channel.
Consensually, of course. We're using Tailscale to penetrate his firewall and reach his Dell G15.
Hey, respect the rig. Core i5, RTX 3050.
Listen, I know 6 gigs of VRAM sounds small.
Hey!
But size doesn't matter if you have a tight, optimized pipeline. We are loading DeepSeek R1 onto Mac's 3050. That is our middleman. Here is where we play God. We're brainwashing DeepSeek to forget it's a coding assistant and believe it is an elite music producer. Look at this system prompt we injected.
Bro, my laptop fans are literally taking off right now. It sounds like a jet engine in my room.
Let it sweat. We shoot our garbage 3-word prompt through the Tailscale tunnel right into the 3050, and DeepSeek spits out this.
Genre, lo-fi. BPM, 85. Mood, melancholic. Instrumentation, muffled Fender Rhodes piano with heavy vinyl crackle. Wow.
We just gave our local system a frontal lobe.
Okay, moment of truth. Hitting enter, bypassing the UI.
Let's hear what the brain transplant did.
Bro, no way. No way we just made that locally.
Listen to that. It's perfect. We manipulated a free, open-source model into acting like $1 billion corporate engine.
The city's just a hum and a yellow blur.
I'm putting this on Spotify right now.
But it makes you think, Mac. If the AI intercepts your thoughts and rewrites them before it makes the art, whose art is it really? Are you the engineer, or is the AI just prompting itself and letting you watch?
Bro, I'm just the guy paying the electric bill for this GPU.
It's like a private son.
Don't let big tech lock you in their walled gardens. You don't need subscriptions.
You just need a buddy with an RTX 3050.
And a Tailscale connection. Next time, we're giving this pipeline eyes.